Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Those folks at Smokey Oak, makers of fine products, keep innovating their innovations. Today, they came out with a new top-of-the-line tire. What would that be called? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Producer. Smokey Oak has innovated their dry rot prevention. Anyways, they've came out with a better way to protect your tire. You can go to the store and you buy that Armor All, things like that. It's expensive chemicals. That's bad for the environment. Well, let me introduce to y'all what Smokey Oak has came up with from the Bohemian Hunting Club Research and Development Center, which is a division of Smokey Oak. Here we go. As you can see, we have the new and improved tire dry rot protection system going on here. Guaranteed to make your tires last longer. Supplies is not limited. We are definitely overwhelmed with that. And as soon as phone lines come up and we get our dial up back, you'll be able to place your orders online, or when the operators come off strike, you'll be able to call in and we'll be able to send you out these new innovative protection dry rot prevention systems directly to you. Remember, this is brought to you by Smokey Oak. Smokey Oak, makers of fine products.